Good morning, guys. It's Thursday. We're going to be having another look at some time questions today. When it loads up, here's our clock. I'm going to give you some times. I'd like you to tell me what you think they are. Right, what's the time on my clock now? You should have said 11 o'clock for that one. What's my time now? So you should have looked at the minute hand first, then over to the hour hand, so you can see that it's half past, just after 1, half past 1 on that one. What's my time now? So you can see that it's quarter of the time gone, and it's just after 7, quarter past 7. What is my time now? So you should be able to see that is 4:45. So a quarter of the time to go until 5 o'clock. So 4:45. Right. Remember yesterday we looked at how that each interval on the clock, so how each number representing 5 minutes for that minute hand. So I'm going round, we've got 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, back to 0. So I'm gonna give you some times, and they're either gonna be 5 past, 10 past, all the way to 25 past, or there might be some 2 times at the other side. So remember, when you get past half past, we start looking towards the next hour. So we start looking at 25 to 20 to 10 to, things like that. Right, so my first time that I would like you to have a go at is this one. Tell me what time you think it is on my clock. So you should have said, if I count it round, so this is how I would work it out. If my minute hand was here, it'd be o'clock, but it's 5 past, 10 past, and it's just after that 3, so I can see that it's 10 minutes past 3. 10 past 3. My next time. There we go, have a go at that one. Right, so with this one, remember, because it's after half past, we're counting towards the next hour. So I can see it's 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes till the next hour. So it's 22, 8. Because in 20 minutes, it will be 8 o'clock. If I move my hand round, 5, 10, 15, 20, it would be 8 o'clock. Right, let's give you another one. Now, what's the time on my clock? So you should be able to see that that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 past 10. So just after that 10 o'clock, 25 past 10. Next time and last time is going to be, there we go. So you should see there that there are about 5, 10 minutes before 4 o'clock. So it's 10 to 4. Your work on my maths today looks a little bit like this. It's very similar to what we've done before. So we've got the drop down arrows here. We can see that it's not o'clock. And we've got either o'clock, half past, o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to, minutes to, or minutes past. Now I can see that my minute hand is pointing over towards the 20 down there. So I can see it's 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes past. So I need minutes past. And it's 20 minutes past, and it's just after that 1. So 20 minutes past 1. Now I need to look at this one. I can see that a half of my clock has gone. So it's 7:30 and it's just after that 7. So it would be 7:30. Now again, my minute hand is pointing at that 20 for me, so I need minutes past. There are 20 minutes past 2. Oh. Yep, so for this one, guys, you need to use the drop-down arrows and make sure you've got the right one. If you get any wrong, go back and have another go at it. That's what this online homework, this My Maths things, are so good at. For your second set of questions, you're going to be converting a clock from an analog clock to a 12-hour clock. So for that, you need to look at the hour hand first. So you'd normally see an analog clock maybe on your kitchen wall. That's where I've got mine. And you might see a digital clock maybe in the corner. You can see one in the corner of my laptop down there. So right now it's 11:17. So it's nearly 20 past 11, in between 1/4 and 20 past. So I'm going to convert it from an analog to a digital clock. So the first thing that I would look at is my hour hand. So it's just after that 3. So I would be putting 3 and then a colon. So this colon changes from our hours to our minutes. When we're looking at digital, our hours always come first. And then I'm looking at how many minutes have passed for that hour. So there's been 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So that time on that clock on there is 3:50. So we would say 10 to 4, but if you're looking at a digital clock like this one, it would say 3:50. If I'm going to make another time and then convert it, I don't want to do that, and then convert it, I might go for 8. Right, so again, first I'm looking at my hour hand first. So I'm looking over there and it's just after that 8. So I know it's 8 colon. I'm looking at my minutes now. It's down there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So on my digital time, it would say 8:25. Your second bit of My Maths work is going to look something a little bit like this. So it's like just what I've done there. So we're going to write it just like this one, write the answers like, so it looks like this, 8:45. If I'm looking at this one, I look at my hour hand first, my shorter hand, so that's going to be just after the 6, so it's 6 colon, and I can see there are 5, 10, 15 minutes past. Right, looking at this one first, my hour hand has gone past the 4, but we're still in that 4th hour of the day. So 4 colon 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Again, over here, we're still in between that 1 and 2 bracket, so I still put my hour as 1, so we're still in the 1st hour of the day. And then we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Let's check it. Fantastic. So just like that, guys, look at your hour hand first and then counting round with the minutes. Some of us are only doing the first question and then moving on. Remember, you've got 2 sets of questions on your My Maths work. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.